Hello friends, how are you? Do you ever see a mechanical keyboard with dual systems, Windows and Mac OS, and with LEDs in the market? Our new mechanical KY-MK101 has this function. It's with Type-C connection, with rainbow and RGB backlit available, content switch. It's compatible with Mac OS and Windows dual systems. You can switch the system by press FM plus table. Yeah, then this is the indicator light for it. It's with FM multimedia functions. By pressing FM plus F1 to F12 for more easy working. More than 15 kinds of backlit effects available. For this model, you can adjust the backlit modes by pressing this button. And you can adjust the backlit speed by pressing this key. And increase the backlit by pressing these two buttons. It's with laser engraving keycaps, so you can make your own phone for this model. There's different colors available for it.